Doctors are protesting across the country. Many on social media are demanding Kolkata CM's resignation. The focus is on women's safety in India after on August 9 in Kolkata, 31-year-old trainee doctor's body was found at her workplace in government-run RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. Reports suggest that some 7-8 men gang-raped her and brutally murdered her in the seminar room of the hospital where she was studying. The reports of the suspected gang rape came out when post-mortem report mentioned 151 mg of liquid which was detected in the body of the victim. One arrest has been made till now. His name is Sanjay Roy, who is a Kolkata police civic volunteer. He was earlier found guilty on 2 occasions, one in 2022 for assaulting his pregnant wife and later for misbehaving with a female doctor, but he managed to evade capture all the time. Many other cases were also uncovered recently. He was identified as a suspect when a torn earphone was discovered in the seminar room where the young doctor's body was found. CCTV footage showed Roy entering the emergency building where the seminar room was located with the same Bluetooth device at 4 a.m. on the day of murder. The autopsy report suggested that the death was due to smothering and throttling. Since then, doctors are protesting at the medical college and hospital and across the country. On 14th August, the hospital was vandalized by a mob when doctors were holding midnight protests against the rape and murder case. The police has released 76 pictures of people involved in the vandalism and made 30 arrests, including 2 TMC workers, several men in their teens and 20s, and couple of women. So now what is happening? CBI has taken over the case to investigate. Victims' parents are demanding Mamata Banerjee's resignation. Parties are blaming each other over women's safety. IMA has written to the Prime Minister and the Supreme Court took cognizance of the case and will hear the case tomorrow, that is on August 20. Amid all this, Mamata Banerjee's government has come out with a new program for women's safety. Measures include limiting working hours of women doctors to maximum of 12 hours and avoid assigning night duty. Mandatory security checks and breathalyzer tests at medical colleges and hospitals. Separate restrooms for women. Women volunteers to be deployed at night and allocate safe zones for women within colleges and hospitals. Special mobile apps featuring alarm linked to police stations. Vishaka Committee to address cases of sexual harassment in organization if they still don't have one. But the question is this the first time? These are reports of the rape cases held in just last week. It's from different parts of the country, including minor victims. The 2012 Nirbhaya case was one such highlighted case in the country, and post that, did the cases go down? Well, no. In 2012, police were recording up to 25,000 rape cases in a year in India. The annual number increased to 31,000 in 2022. Between 2017 to 2022, 1.89 lakh rape cases have been reported in India. In at least 1.79 lakh cases, the rapist was a known person. Every day, 86 rapes were recorded, which means that every hour 4 women are raped in the country. This even after the government has brought sweeping changes in the judicial system, including tougher sentences. Not only in India, even abroad, sexual violence is rising. In 2019, sexual violence impacted over 40% of American women over their lifetime. Around 3 lakh women were sexually assaulted or raped in 2020 in the US. Even in the US, 80% of the sexual violence cases are committed by a person who the victim knows. So what is the law against these rapists in India? A minimum sentence of 10 years with possible extension to life or death penalty if the victim is younger than 12 years old. Rape also includes non-penetrative acts. There are fast-track courts to hear these cases and more. But rapists still believe that they can get away with the crime as per experts. And this because conviction rates for these rapes ranged between just 27 to 28% from 2018 to 22 as per NCRB. In Britain, conviction rates for rape cases was 60.2% in FY24 and 63.5% earlier. In Canada, 42% of all sexual assault cases decisions resulted in a finding guilty in 2016 to 17. So what the law can do is improve conviction rate for these crimes and ramp up investigations. What men can do: create a safe space for women like you would do for your own sisters, mothers and daughters. Educate, respect, understand unhealthy and safe relationships, and also speak out when you see your friends objectifying women or disrespecting them. What women can do is know basic self-defense to protect yourself against anything: theft, assault, whatever it may be. What parents can do: it's devastating to see reports like these coming out, right? Parents should educate their boys on how to respect women, treat her better, and most importantly, kids learn what they see. Show them what's right and what's wrong. It's time for you to teach your son about bad touch and good touch, so parents don't have to teach their daughters how to dress. This Raksha Bandhan, create a safe space for not just your sister, but also for other sisters, daughters, and mothers.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.